Imagine you have a business, and that business relies on people coming in, seeing apartments, and then deciding to rent them. And all of a sudden, that's not possible.
We are constantly looking for new ways to raise the sale experiences for our clients.
We began with an idea. How can we have contactless visitors in a flat?
Signa came up with the idea of having remote access and remote house hunting.
And the next idea was, maybe we have a robot?
Our job was to keep Signa running and keep their business running.
We have a full installation of Webex and Cisco video conferences in-house. And yes, there exists a robot with a Webex integration that is called Ava. Yeah, 1 week later we ordered this robot. And then, yeah, Ava arrived.
I remember when we opened this wooden box and got out the robot for the first time, everyone was like, oh my God, it's so big and it looks so nice and it would look so lovely in our apartments.
This robot allows us to interact with our customers wherever they are, wherever they sit, over the world.
Even though the prospects and our sales team were not here in the apartment, we were still together through Webex, Cisco, and through Ava.
This robot is only one piece of our story here. We have a full modern platform that enables our customer to rent this flat completely online.
Everyone was like, yeah, it's gonna work. It's worth the investment.
Now we have this robot a few months in action, and it's definitely a fixed part in the sales process in Signa.
We at Signa strive to be more innovative for our clients. Ava Robotics expanded our sales possibilities.
They're fast, they know what they want, they know how to get it, and they have the courage to just do things that nobody else in that industry ever did.
This robot is not only a game changer for Signa, it's a game changer for the whole real estate industry.
Our goal for the future is to be pioneers in digitalizing the real estate industry.